Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply the LanczosResample effect to a live video recording using CameraX in native Android application. So let's get started. So I'll quickly run this application on my real device. Also, just to let you know, I'm using empty views project or XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. It's up to you. So first you will have to go to Gradle scripts, and inside this build.gradle you first have to use this Android X camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera video, camera view, Android X media 3 effect as well as media 3 effect. Now I am using version catalog, that's why the version number of the library is not present inside build.gradle. For that you will have to go to libs.versions.toml over here, and over here okay, so the output is ready. I'll quickly show you the output and then we can proceed with the next step. So first it is asking me for the camera permission. I'll just give that. It is asking me record audio permission. I'll give that as well. Now there is no difference as such. The LanczosResample is used for image resampling or image processing. So here you can see I'm just trying to record my wall. So nothing interesting over here. I'm just trying to move as well. As you can see, there is some performance hit over here. Firstly, because I'm using a cheap Android device. Here you can see the video was stored. We got the toast message with the video path as well. I can go to the files app as well. I think one of the reasons why this performance issues are there because the media 3 effect for camera is still in alpha. That's why hopefully you won't see this effect. Also, like I mentioned, I'm using a cheap Android device, so you might face better performance on your device. So here you can see this is the effect. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first next thing is you need to add this camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, then this media 3 effect which is still in alpha at the time of me recording. If it does become stable, make sure you use the stable version, as well as this media 3 effect version. Then here you need to add this Android X camera lifecycle, Android X camera 2, Android X camera core, Android X camera view, Android X camera video, and then Android X media 3 effect as well as media 3 effect. Once you do that, you just have to click on the sync now button and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then you need to go to main activity. Before that, first go to manifest, Android manifest.xml, and here you need to use this uses feature of camera, then uses permission of camera as well, then record audio camera permission, and write external storage permission as well. Then you need to go to res layout activity underscore main. Here is our preview view where we use the width and height equal to 0 dp by 0 dp, and here we constrain it to all sides of the screen, so to occupy the entire width and height of the screen. Then here I have one button where we pass the id, the elevation is 2 dp, and then we set the text, we constrain it to the bottom of the screen, and width and height is wrap content. Then just go to main activity over here, and here you can see these are all the imports. So yeah, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports that I have. Again, there are some dead imports as well which we can quickly remove, and here we are using this @unstable annotation. If I remove this, here you can see we are getting an error. That's why we have to add this unstable annotation. Now this unstable this particular LanczosResample is not from that alpha version of the library which we are using. It is from this particular version, so even this is stable. The APIs are a bit unstable. This is one of the quirks of Android development. So I have just added this @unstable annotation. Then here we do video capture, then we get hold of our recording, then here we do camera executor service, here we pass our preview view, our button, then here we use a register for activity result to request multiple permission. By default the value is true, then we just loop over it, and if permissions are not granted we make it as false, and if that is not granted we display a toast message. Else we start our camera, then inside on create we initialize our viewfinder, our button as well. If all permissions are granted we start our camera, else we call request permission. Then we just do button.set on click listener, capture video, and inside capture video we just do whether the video capture is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, then we just set the button dot is unable equal to false. Here we get hold of our recording. If it is not equal to null, then we just do current recording dot stop and make recording equal to null. Then here we do simple date format, pass the file name format as well. Then we do content values dot apply, we pass the display name, MIME type, and if Android version greater than B, we also set the relative path. Then here we do media store output options. Then we do video capture dot output, prepare our recording, check if we have the audio permission. If yes, then we do with audio enabled. Then we start it, and if the event is of type start, we change the button text as well as is unable to true. And if it is finalized, then if there are no error, we just display a toast message. Else we do recording dot close, make the recording equal to null, and change the text of our button as well as is unable to true. Then here we get hold of create a start camera method. So we just do process camera provider dot get instance of this. Then we do camera provider future dot add listener, camera provider future dot get. Then we build our preview. Then we build our recorder as well. Then we get hold of our video capture, we get hold of our default back camera. Then we do use case group builder dot build, add our preview use case as well as video capture. Then we just create this media 3 effect as well. And okay, just to show it to you, here we create this LanczosResample effect. Then we add it to our use case group dot builder. Then we unbind our camera provider, we bind it to the life cycle. Here we have another method called request permission, then another method just to check whether permissions was granted or not. Then inside on desktop we just shut down our camera executor, and then we have a companion object where we have this file name format as well as required permission equal to, where we pass the camera as well as record audio permission, and if less than equal to Android P, we write the right external storage permission as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.